Hi everyone, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to have session on the latest ongoing tax GST 2.0 updates. In this update we will discuss about all the changes done by the government for the GST. As we all know that there are multiple GST slabs are going on in the market before today's date, and now what government has done is simplified all the taxes with the simple three basic tax slabs: 5%, 18%, and 40%. There is a lot more going on inside the software, and we can see that all the items in the market we are purchasing day by day is not getting updated. So what we are exactly doing is that all the taxes are going to be changed by today. Now it is already changed from today, so let's make these changes if not done yet, and let's hope that everything is going fine with all the systems. In case you face any problem, any challenge, please please do visit our website, as well as you can connect with our service centers, or you can say you can connect with the service provider for the update. And for all these informations I'm going to share you in the end also. We all know from where we can connect with our partners. Till the time, I would like to tell you about the updates. Marg ERP has done few changes to the software which makes all the process very easy, very convenient. So for that we need to do few things before we start with the technical side. First of all, we need to update our software, and to update our software we need to go to our website. This is our website. You can see that we go to downloads, and here you will see that the new version of software is available now. 21st September 2025 is the date when the software was updated. You have to download this and install this in the PC. I have already done that. Then the second update is that you need to download this patch and you have to update in your software. After doing so, your system will update to the latest GST patch, which means all the changes which need to be done can be done through the server only. You can simply download this patch, and by downloading this patch you can do this. Now you can see that I have downloaded the patch. First of all, I need to close the software so that I can do the changes in the system. We all know for whenever you are making any changes to the software, you need to close the setup everything, and then you have to do that. Now we will open the GST dispatch file, and we will extract this particular data, this PFO file, to the location. So I have installed my Marg ERP in D drive, Marg ERP folder. Okay, it will ask to replace the older version. I'll say yes. Now the changes has been done to the software. What we will do, we will start the application again. So after starting this software, I'll put the password, and now my software patch is updated and the changes have been done. I have created one demo company to show you the example. So to do the changes, what we have done is, now you don't need to change each and every HSN code one by one or by choosing multiple and doing so. We have connected our Marg software with this Marg server where all the HSN code information is available. Software will automatically connect with the Marg server and it will start scanning your data. All the available HSN codes in your company, or you can say in your software, will get updated as per the latest norms. What we need is the working internet connection and the server file running in the background. So we have the working internet as well as we have the server file, which is going to start as soon as I log into some company. You can see I'm just logging to this company, and the server exe file is asking me to run. So I'll go back and I will start the server file. Yes. Now my server file is running in the background. My system is connected to internet. Now we will see how to make the changes. First of all, the previous process was to go to GST and going to GST tax rates, then take the backup of the software, and then you can choose the options from here. Like if you want to make the changes in the 12%, select yes, or you can select no if you don't want to make any changes here. Secondly, if you want to make changes to the 18%, that is also possible. Select yes, and then you can continue. Same like that, we have done the option of shifting MRP. So now you will see that if you want to shift your old MRP to the rate H or G, you can choose as per your requirement, and then you have to select whether you want to put all the item MRPs in the H rate, or for only affected items. Means if some particular item got the text changes, in that case the MRP will change for that particular item only, and in that case you want that particular item MRP to be shifted in the H rate. So in that case you will select only affected. Other than that, there is an option called all means all the MRP will be shifted to the H rate. Now I will choose all and then enter, and then we have to type please change my GST. We press enter and this will be completed updated. But this is the old process we were doing in last 2 weeks, and now we have the option of automation. I will show you that. We'll go back from here. We'll go to masters, ease of GST. The very first option is the GST percentage HSN SAC rates updation. We will use this, but I would like to add one more information here, that we have also added the GST implementation video, which you can see yourself and you can do it yourself also. So this is basically a DIY process which can be done easily by the customers only. Now I will go to the this particular first option, then press enter. Then you have to select the stock which you want to see till date. So I will put today's date, enter. So it is taking the date, current date, and then enter, accept. Now you will see that there are multiple 12%, then if you go down, some are 18%, some are 28%, and I have kept one of the HSN code intentionally wrong so that I can show you. See, this particular HSN code is not a valid HSN code, and system will show me the error that this HSN code is not found, and so we cannot do the changes in it. Other than that, 18%, 5%, 12%, you will see I will do the changes. For this changes, I will press F6 and select first option, text percentage and HSN code, enter. So see, it is updating and loading HSN from the server file. Make sure the server file is running in the background. You can see the information, it is showing total updated 1113. So this is 1113 update taxable updates, and now you can see that all the changes in the GST is showing very well with the red bold color. So now you can see this is the 18%, this is the 12%, now it is changed to 5%. In this case, it is showing us that this is the OK GST, we are having the right GST 5%, no problem. This GST is showing black, but it is not the right one, right? 28% is no more. In that case, if you press F3 on this, if I press enter, and if I go to this and press F3 on this, you will see that it is showing us warning that no, not available, which means this particular GST number is not found, and because of that it is not updating with the server. But if I go to the above one which is showing in red, and if I press F3, you will see that it is showing the previously it was 6% SGST, 6% CGST, and 12% is the IGST. So now it is been converted to 2.5, and which becomes 5% total. So it is showing you the older also and the changes also from today. Now if you want to change manual, you can do that manual also. For example, if I want to make it manual 9, you can see that it will do the changes. You can simply here make it 99, 18%, and you can save in master also. Now when you go back, so you will see two options, F6 update default and F7 to load HSN from the server. So if you want to load from the server, which is already done by me, but if I want to do it again, I have to press F7. It will say already downloaded today. Want to download again, I can press yes. It will again do the refresh and it will show me the updates. So although I don't need to do this again and again and again, but I'm showing you for your knowledge. After doing these changes, if you want to go to default setup, you can press F6 also, and it will make it a default setup. So we can see that 2.52, it is automatically changing the GST. I don't need to do it manually, it has been done automatically. All the taxes which were showing before, like 12%, 18%, is been replaced. Okay, you can easily see that before it was showing 12% and it was all in red, but now it has been replaced. If you press F3 on this item, see, I'll go it one again, press enter, and you will see that it is showing 18% here. Press F3 and you will see the changes here. But if you want to save the changes in the HSN, it is not yet saved yet. So press escape key and it will ask me whether you want to keep these changes in both, like sale and purchase, or both. So I have selected both. Whether we want to put impact on the MRP, if yes, then yes. Then old MRP shift in which rate. So it is, again, it is the same thing, going to H rate, and then you will see that there is an option whether you want to keep the rate also effect on. So you can choose the option from here. So I don't want to put any particular rate setup here, so I will put no for now. Now I'll select update and it will do the changes. But there is an important note here. If you don't want to make changes to the software, make sure, if you don't want this auto updation process to be in the system, because it will do all the changes which is required, and some you can say some stockist or retailer would not be liking this thing changes automatically, they want to do it manually. In that case, please don't use this automation process, go manually by using the old process, which is through going GST and GST rate. Okay, so that is a manual process. Now I have done the changes, you can see that it is still showing me 12%, but I have done the save. So I have saved all the changes, but it is still showing me 12%. Don't worry, go back. Okay, then go back to masters, ease of GST, again press enter, today's date, and now you can see the magic, like update, it is showing me 5%. So all the changes are done automatically, and you can see that there is no 28%, there is no 12%, so it is all 5% and the 18% item. I have one item. So this is how the system is doing the changes. So this is very easy process to be ready to be, to be actively doing the changes and taking benefit of all the things on time. Hope so this session has given you the clarity over the GST changes and how it is going to be changed in the software, and hope so you have got all your answers right in this moment. And for any further changes, we are going to give you more sessions on this. Other than that, you can also connect with your service provider support team for the updates, or you can call us on our toll free number, so we will give you the full support. Thank you so much for joining this session, and we will come by again new sessions, and I'll show you the new changes in the software in coming sessions. Thank you so much for joining the session. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.